With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the PocketRocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation PocketRocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined PocketRocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, but we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers to fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate Ultralight kit.
Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil MiniMo system. Now the MiniMo is Jetboil's most popular regulated cook system, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. The MiniMo is a fantastic personal cook system that weighs in at just 14.6 ounces, but still gives you a 6,000 BTU burner stove with Jetboil's regulator technology and unbeatable simmer control. So the great thing about the MiniMo is how everything packs together. You've got this bottom cover that doubles as a measuring cup and bowl. Then you've got the cup here that holds everything else. The top lid, the fuel stabilizer, fits right in there. A 100-gram fuel canister and the stove itself fit right in the cup. So then you just build the system. Screw the stove into the fuel canister. The cooking cup locks into place. Then you've got your measuring cup and bowl, and then you've got the lid. Easy. The big story with the MiniMo is the redesigned cooking cup and handles. It comes with a 1 liter short flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, and as the name suggests, it's shorter and a bit wider than before, so you get a better spoon angle. So that just means it's easier than ever to cook and eat straight out of the cup since you can get more of your spoon in there. The metal handles here on the side are super sturdy and they're insulated so you won't burn your hands, and they really just go a long way towards making this thing really usable. Now the cup itself has this great drink-through lid with a pour spout and a strainer, so you can use it as a cup for coffee or to strain pasta. And the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl, so you have everything you need to make a meal for yourself all right here. So it's the perfect size system for one person, and the flux ring technology on the cup make it really fuel efficient. It'll boil a half a liter of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you do that 24 times. Jetboil makes the most advanced regulator valves in the industry. They engineered them to allow for 4 full turns of the valve spindle for incremental fuel flow adjustment and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. Here's what that means. A lot of other stoves on the market go from closed to fully wide open with 1 turn of the spindle, so you either get a tiny flame that won't cook any of your food or a full-bore inferno that burns everything. Not so with the MiniMo. It also means you can boil water for coffee in an instant and then cook perfect scrambled eggs all on the same stove. The other great thing about the MiniMo's regulator technology is that it helps it perform better in cold weather. It's rated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about it not working well when it's cold outside. Now beyond that, you get a reliable push-button igniter and a fuel stabilizer, and the MiniMo is compatible with a whole host of Jetboil accessories, like the Grande coffee press, pot support, and frying pan. So all in all, with the MiniMo, you get an incredible personal cook system. You get a really powerful burner that'll boil water quickly, but still has unbeatable simmer control and packs down really small. The shorter cup size makes it easier than ever to cook and eat out of the same vessel, and you won't have to sacrifice weight for cooking performance in the backcountry.
One of your biggest challenges when backpacking is keeping your pack a reasonable weight and size. This is where MSR's new Ultralight Duo system comes in. At 1 pound and 6 ounces, the Ultralight Duo system is an incredibly versatile cook set that's compact and lightweight. Designed for 2 people, it starts with a 2-liter hard anodized aluminum pot with a ceramic non-stick coating and a folding, locking handle. This pot holds 2 deep dish bowls, 2 12.5-ounce double wall insulated mugs, and a clear BPA-free strainer lid. To save even more space, the mugs actually have room for the MSR folding utensils and the PocketRocket or MicroRocket stove.
The MSR Ultralight Duo system is the perfect one-pot cook system for the trail chef. One really cool option with the system is the coffee press, which packs flat and converts the cook pot into the perfect coffee pot.
To learn more about the Ultralight Duo system, visit MSR at msrgear.com.
Made from high-spec, hard anodized premium alloy and robust stainless steel components, our Sea to Summit Alpha Pots are extremely lightweight, strong, durable, and provide exceptional thermal conductivity for more efficient fuel use. Our unique integrated patent-pending pivot lock handle rotates in a horizontal plane, locking firmly in place and eliminating the danger of the handle collapsing. The ergonomic handle encased in heat-resistant silicone provides a secure grip with either hand. When not in use, it rotates inwards and locks the lid to the pot, securing the contents safely inside. The lid keep hooks the lid to the pot rim, keeping it off the ground and freeing both your hands. An easy flow strainer lid drains liquids efficiently without losing your rice or pasta. There is a graded volumetric scale on the inside for easy measurement of ingredients. The textured base provides better grip, making pots more stable on camp stoves. Light and packable, yet functional and tough, our Alpha Pots are perfect for solo fast and light through hikes, weekend getaways with your mates, or a week-long family camping trip. The Alpha Pots are available in 1.2, 1.9, 2.7 and 3.7 litre sizes, which can nest with each other, with the other Alpha pans, and with a Delta Light dinnerware for compact packing.
Welcome to another edition of Stansport videos. Today I'm going to show you the easy setup of our single burner propane stove. This stove comes with a propane canister base that will help support the unit while in use. Open all 4 legs on the provided propane canister base prior to setting up the stove. Next, you can connect the chrome-plated stove to any 1-pound propane canister, as you can see done here. Place the connected stove and propane canister into the provided support base. Turn the regulator control knob to about halfway, and now your stove is ready to light using your favorite Stansport lighter. This powerful individual backpackers and campers stove is great for the outdoors and can handle a wide range of pots and pans with its 10,000 BTU burner. Be sure to turn the propane off and let the stove cool down prior to removing the unit from the support base. When ready to pack away, simply unscrew the propane canister from the stove, as you can see done here.